with Will and Jack. We're going to reinvent the McMuffin.
It's weird, isn't it, the breakfast culture? I think they have it a lot more in America, breakfast sandwich.
I've had a few of these. I usually have them if I'm getting up really early.
Or hungover.
It's good, but we can definitely do better.
So this is how we build our perfect McMuffin.
We're going to be using these amazing little pork patties that we made out of middle white pork. So we're going to cook off the sausage patty. We've got some beautiful free-range organic eggs, some lovely bacon.
Stunning walnut ketchup, a little bit of smoked meat mayos, and then some proper American sticky cheese.
Right, first thing we're going to cook the sausage patties. And Will's going to toast off the pucks.
So when we originally thought about getting this on the menu, it's because we had a massive excess of middle white pork. This is made out of a combination of shoulder and leg. So it's not just any pork that goes into it, it's actually some really premium cuts. Minced down, loads of herbs, loads of seasonings, a little bit of dried sage, loads of cracked black pepper, and then we just get some really nice colour on it on the bar mark.
We're just going to nicely mark it on each side. Nice, about medium cooking, so a nice little bit of cut pink in the centre. Nice bit of char on the outside, get a nice bit of smoke on there. So here I've got some bacon, which we just glazed, and a little bit of brown sugar. This is lovely smoked streaky bacon. So we're just going to get it really nice and crispy on the side of the grill while the pork patty is cooking.
So I think what we want to try and do is make it really nice and juicy, bacon really, really crispy, so you've got a different bit of texture. And then, like the McMuffin sweats in that little bag that it comes in.
Once we've got a bit of colour on our bacon, we're just going to pop it under the grill. The grill's a really good way to cook the bacon because it just kind of makes bubbles and goes nice and crisp. Cracking our eggs into our little non-stick pans.
Bit of salt and pepper on there, chef?
Yep, bit of salt.
Oh.
Pepper, please, chef.
Yeah, chef, right now.
Patties are going to come off. Like anything, even like another bit of meat, we're going to rest these nicely. You've got to rest anything, even if it's even if the meat is minced, you're going to let it relax. A little bit of fresh pepper at the end, so we're going to let those sit and relax. This bacon. Start at the edges to start to bubble up and go nice and crispy. So we've got some nice little crispy bit, rendering out some of that fat.
This is croissant dough that we have laminated. It had 3 folds. And what we're gonna do, I cut 2 rectangles like this, and we're gonna put one in front of the other, and we're gonna stick them together with as little flour as possible. And then we're gonna roll it very, very tightly. Great, and now we're gonna freeze it until it's hard but able to cut through. And we're gonna portion it, and those are basically layers of dough and butter again and again and again, and so you can see every bit of it. So what we want is a very nice layering of the dough, both ways, and some really nice texture on the sides. Great color.
Now we've got our croissant dough puck, which you can see is perfectly laminated. So you've got all those different crispy layers all the way running around, and then you've got the beautiful Fallow logo right in the middle.
We're going to keep our yolks really nice and runny, so that when you bite into the sandwich, you get that nice pop of the egg yolk. Right, next, we've got our lovely patties.
Quickly talk about this little beauty here, this laminated puck. Easy to fit in your mouth, which is always important with a burger or a McMuffin or something like that. You don't want some sort of gourmet bullshit sandwich that's really hard that you need a knife and fork. At the end of the day, if you're hungover, you want it to go nice and easy.
So we've got the cheese on the patties, the bacon on the patties. You're going to put the bacon on the top, so you're going to get extra crispy under the salamander. Now we're just going to melt the cheese, and then it'll be ready to build the sandwich.
Winner. Right.
We're going to put a little bit of smoked mayonnaise on the bottom of the bun.
Add a bit of creaminess to the
bit
equation.
Of richness. And chef, do you want to go with the ketchup?
Worry.
Kombu ketchup.
This is basically like our version of a HP brown sauce. But yeah, HP brown sauce, absolute winner.
Then we've got our lovely patty. Gonna go on the bottom. Then we've got our fried egg. Woo.
And there you have it, guys. This is our double stacked, double crispy,
Squeeze it.
extra flavour, Fallow Mega McMuffin. Oh!
Epic.
Yes. What a treat. Goodness gracious me, brings a tear to my eye.
Rumbles in my belly.
You know our chef Fergus has never tried it. He's never had a McDonald's breakfast. Fergus, he's such a purist.
Fergus, stop working, get over it.
I'll try your first breakfast sandwich. That's pretty uninspiring, isn't it? The old,
Great colour.
I have to say, the
Muffin's actually quite nice.
It's nice and fluffy. It's pretty fucking good.
I actually like the patties.
On the way into work, you've had a few too many drinks the night before. You're feeling a little bit shaky. Oh, what's that? Crisp. Patty's nice and moist. Eggs really nicely cooked. Nice and crispy filling, so you're not getting shit all over your hands.
The ratio of everything is a lot better.
Yeah.
The other one's just like dominantly bread.
I think you always find that with a less premium product, you can always get more of the junk and not like the actual. Ours is heavy on like nice bacon, nice sausage. The croissant encapsulate it all, but the sauces as well. I think the combo ketchup is really nice. It adds that like nice acidity, a little hint of walnut in the background, a little bit of spice from the sauce.
So we'll probably keep trying to remaster the classics as we go. So let us know what you'd like to see next and like and follow.
Cheers.
Sweet.
Smashed it.